I get calls all the time and people ask, Kevin, why is my water pressure so low right now? There could be a lot of reasons for that, and we have some remedies for that as well. And some of them you can fix, and some of them might require a plumber. But stay with me, and I'll let you know what those are in just a minute. Hey, welcome back. I'm Kevin with Kalka Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning. So one of the main reasons that we find oftentimes is the actual shutoff to the house has not been turned on all the way. So you might have had somebody out to your house, and when they turn the water off, they turn it back on, but they don't turn it on all the way because they don't want a big inrush of pressure. So that's something you could look for yourself. First thing you want to do is make sure those valves are open parallel with the pipe. And if you have the hand turn type, you want to turn counterclockwise to make sure it's open all the time. See if that's going to be a problem or not, if that resolves the issue or not. Some of the other things that we find is sediment in the fixtures. We get sediment lifted up, calcium carbonate deposits, and it could just be in your shower head or it could be the whole house. So we need to know what the difference is. If it's just a fixture, then it's an isolated issue, and it's probably going to be sediment or a cartridge in the shower valve or the faucet might need to be replaced. Or it could be a plug shower head, the outlet or the aerator would need to be cleaned up a little bit. The other thing it could be is a pressure regulator. So we have regulators in the front of your home where the point of entry where the water comes in, and oftentimes the cities deliver the pressure really high and we have to regulate that pressure lower. Well, sometimes those regulators will fail in the open or closed position, meaning you'll either have too high a pressure or too low a pressure. In this instance, it's probably too low a pressure, and that regulator will need to be replaced. This next one is unusual, but maybe not so unusual. I was out to a home last week and I came upon a filter, a pre-filter before the water treatment, the water softener, and that pre-filter had not been changed in 10 years. The homeowner didn't know what that was even. She didn't even know she had it. And apparently no plumbers brought it to her attention. This was our first service call at that home. And I explained to her what the pre-filter did and why it was there, and it needs to be changed annually. And so it was what was used to be a white filter was dark chocolate brown. It could be just that simple. So you have to look at the entire plumbing system to isolate these various areas in the home. And it helps if you know the age of the house. It could even be corrosion in the pipes that, some of the older homes have some of the older galvanized piping, and that could be plugging up, or there could have been a repipe that took place, but they missed a few spots. One thing that's starting to occur now with the newer PEX pipe is that we're getting situations where the pipes weren't run properly, and then sometimes that pipe will kink because it's flexible, and they don't have the memory that you would want them to have, so they kind of stay in that kink position. And what happens is it restricts the flow of water through that particular line. It could be the main line coming into the house. It could be just a branch line to a certain fixture or to a bathroom. That could be just affecting one room or one fixture or the whole house. Some of these problems might be easily fixed by yourself, getting some calcium out of the screens and things like that. But some of them are a bigger problem, and that's why we're here. We're the professionals. We're here in Irvine, California, serving all of Orange County. We'd be happy to come out and take a look at your issue there. The information's down below here on the screen. Just give us a call and we'll take care of you. I'm Kevin Kalka with Kalka Plumbing, Heating and Air.